If walls could talk, this mansion on Queen's Drive, Ikoyi, would tell a story of dreams, of success, and life's unpredictability. Herbert Wigwe's Ikoyi home, worth over 10 billion naira, was not just a house, it was a masterpiece. A state-of-the-art, fully digital, fully automated paradise, designed to be his retirement home. Picture this, a massive living room that could host royalty. Bedrooms with private jacuzzis and balconies overlooking the Lagos waters. A pool so big you could literally sail a yacht on it. And a stainless steel kitchen that would make even Gordon Ramsay raise an eyebrow. All wrapped in the highest level of security, controlled with just a word to Siri or Google. Shortly before his demise, this mansion welcomed two of Africa's business giants, Aliko Dangote and Femi Otedola. It was a meeting of minds, a gathering of billionaires, and sadly, the last time Herbert Wigwe would share a moment with them. Because not long after, tragedy struck. He passed. Herbert Wigwe was not just wealthy, he was Access Bank. His 9% majority shareholding, valued at about $54 million.